Azure Horizon, the untold history of Blue Lagoon. In the heart of the South Pacific, nestled away from the prying eyes of the world, lies a hidden gem known as Blue Lagoon. This pristine paradise, with its crystal-clear azure waters and lush greenery, has long captivated the imagination of explorers and adventurers. However, beyond its breathtaking beauty, Blue Lagoon harbors a tale shrouded in mystery and intrigue, a tale that unfolds against the backdrop of a forgotten chapter in history. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting a warm golden glow upon the lagoon, let us embark on a journey through time to unravel the secrets that lie beneath its tranquil surface. The Lost Voyage. Our story begins in the 18th century when a British merchant vessel, the HMS Seraphim, set sail on a daring expedition across the Pacific. Laden with precious cargo and fueled by the dreams of untold riches, the crew embarked on a journey that would forever alter the course of history. Led by the charismatic Captain Edmund Sinclair, the Seraphim charted uncharted waters, navigating through treacherous reefs and mysterious currents. As fate would have it, a fierce storm emerged on the horizon, tossing the ship off course and into the embrace of Blue Lagoon. The crew, awestruck by the serenity of the lagoon, decided to anchor there temporarily, unaware of the secrets that lay beneath the surface. The Enchanted Waters. Blue Lagoon, though serene, concealed an otherworldly power that soon began to affect the crew. The azure waters possessed a mesmerizing quality, casting a spell upon those who dared to dip their toes. Slowly but surely, the crew found themselves entranced by the lagoon's mystical charm. Days turned into weeks, and the once ambitious sailors became enamored with the tranquility of Blue Lagoon. They forgot their original mission and succumbed to the allure of the enchanting waters. Captain Sinclair, once resolute in his pursuit of fortune, now found solace in the embrace of the lagoon, his dreams fading away like distant echoes. Echoes of the past. As the years passed, Blue Lagoon became a haven for those seeking refuge from the outside world. The lost souls who stumbled upon its shores became part of a forgotten community, living harmoniously with nature. The Islanders, descendants of the Seraphim's crew, forged a unique society, blending elements of their British heritage with the magic of the lagoon. Generations came and went, tales of the outside world fading into distant memories. Blue Lagoon remained an untouched sanctuary, preserving its secrets and the forgotten history of the Lost Voyage. Awakening. Fast forward to the present day, where a team of modern-day explorers, armed with cutting-edge technology, discovered clues hinting at the existence of Blue Lagoon's hidden history. Intrigued by the mystery, they embarked on a quest to unveil the secrets buried beneath the waters. As the expedition delved deeper into the heart of the lagoon, echoes of the past began to resurface. They uncovered remnants of the Seraphim, its skeletal structure entwined with the vibrant coral reefs. The artifacts, frozen in time, told a story of dreams lost and a society reborn. In the closing chapter of our journey, we reflect upon the extraordinary history of Blue Lagoon, a history that transcends time and challenges our understanding of the human spirit. The lagoon, once a witness to the folly of ambition, now stands as a testament to resilience and the enduring power of nature. As we bid farewell to the Azure Horizon, let us carry the tale of Blue Lagoon with us, a reminder that hidden beneath the tranquil surface of even the most idyllic places lie stories waiting to be discovered. The Lost Voyage of the HMS Seraphim and the Enchanted Waters of Blue Lagoon serve as an enduring testament to the unpredictable and fascinating tapestry of history.